Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So today I'll be teaching you on this tutorial on the broadcast blocks in Scratch. First, we want to get a broadcast block. You will actually find this inside the event section. So let's just say when this flag is clicked, broadcast message 1. Now we're gonna create a new sprite, surprise, I guess. Now we're gonna put when I receive message 1, the message we're sending. We're going to wait 1 second. We're going to say hello for 2 seconds. Now Zfog, why can't we just say hello for 2 seconds here? Well, I'm glad you asked. So basically, the reason why we can't say hello here is because the broadcast block works from other blocks. So basically, you could say, when I broadcast this, do this on the other sprite. So when this is clicked, broadcast hello. And you'll see a hello coming from here. And we can actually do a broadcast message 1 and wait block. So and wait. Then we would put wait and wait, and then we will, when I receive message 1, say hello for 2 seconds. Hello. Exactly. Okay guys, I hope you liked the video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and bye.